Welcome back to a video course on how to create an effective content strategy for your business. This is Module 10. In the previous lesson, we looked at creating a content promotion plan for your business. In this lesson, we'll look at creating and implementing a content management plan. This is the part of the content plan that determines how we'll manage and maintain all of the content that we create, publish, and promote. In this lesson, we'll cover what a content management plan is, why your business needs it, and how to create one for your business. So, what is a content management plan? A content management plan is a document that outlines the processes your business will use to manage and maintain all of its content. It includes your content management goals and objectives, information about your target audience, the types of content and distribution channels that you will manage, and the KPIs that will be used to measure the success of your content management practices. Now, why does your business need a content management plan? It needs a content management plan because it helps your business to manage all the content that it produces from initial idea to final publication. Also, to make roles and responsibilities of team members and stakeholders clear. To establish a consistent workflow to ensure content is accurate, on brand, and on time. It helps you track your content performance over time, ensuring that your content goals are being met and that your target audience is being reached. It also helps to ensure that your content is organized, easily searchable and retrievable, saving your business time and resources and providing a consistent customer experience. Also helps to avoid duplication of effort and ensures compliance with legal or regulatory requirements. And it also helps your business to stay consistent and on brand with your messaging. So in short, your content management plan is a strategy for organizing, storing, and maintaining your business content. It helps your business keep its content organized, ensuring that it stays up to date and relevant, and making it easily accessible to the people who need it. So now that we have a basic understanding of what a content management plan is and why your business needs it, let's look at how to create one. I've outlined here the main steps and suggestions for creating a content management plan. Like in our previous lessons, I'm only going to touch briefly on these points because we've already covered many of these steps in our content plan lesson in Module 7. If you need help with these steps, visit the link on the screen for a detailed tutorial. So, how do we create a content management plan? First, we need to define our content management goals. For example, it may be improving your website traffic or increasing customer engagement. Next, we make an inventory of all of our existing content, including formats, topics, and target audience, and we covered this in Module 6. To manage your content effectively, you'll need to develop a content strategy, and this is the central focus of our video course. Creating a content strategy includes outlining your content goals, defining your target audience, your content topics, content types and formats, and a whole lot more. Next, establish a content workflow and document the processes that your business will use to create, review, edit, and publish content. Set up a content calendar with your content publishing schedule. Document the roles and responsibilities involved in creating, editing, publishing, and promoting your content. Use a content management system to organize, store, and distribute your content. Document your SEO guidelines. Include best SEO practices, link to SEO courses, resources, tutorials, etc. Use analytics tools to track and analyze your content performance and gather insights for future content. Review and update to make sure your content stays fresh and relevant. Collaborate and communicate with your team members and stakeholders to ensure that your content stays aligned with your overall goals and objectives. Document all of your processes to ensure that anyone can manage your content to the highest quality standards set by your business. Make regular content backups to keep your content safe and protected and to ensure business continuity. And continuously monitor and improve your content management processes. In terms of choosing a content management system for your business, I recommend that you consider using a platform like WordPress. WordPress is the most popular content management system platform in the world. Over 1/3 of our websites, in fact, run on WordPress. WordPress is a free open source CMS, which means it's infinitely expandable with add-ons, which WordPress calls plugins. WordPress is also actively supported by a community of thousands of web developers, so it's always being updated with new features and bug fixes, which means that it's secure. And you can build any kind of website you can imagine with WordPress, from company websites and blogs to full-featured e-commerce stores, private membership sites, business directories, and so much more. Plus, WordPress is easy to use and requires no coding skills. You can learn more about using content management systems by following the link on the screen. More importantly, if your website runs on WordPress, I have created comprehensive and detailed step-by-step tutorials on how to use WordPress. You can access these tutorials for free at wptrainingmanual.com. Just visit the link on the slide for more details. Also, in terms of content organization, you want to implement systems that will improve your efficiency and user experience, that will save you time and money, and that will help your business maximize its resources. So see the link on your screen for a detailed tutorial on ways to organize your content. And regarding documenting, backing up, and protecting your content, I have also written comprehensive tutorials covering each of these areas. So if you need help with any of these areas, just visit the links on your screen. So in summary, a content management plan specifies the processes for managing and maintaining your content. It also includes your goals and objectives for managing your content, information about your target audience, the content types and the distribution channels that you will manage, and the KPIs that you will use to manage your content. Follow the steps discussed in this lesson to create and implement a content management plan for your business. And if you need help or want to see an example of a content management plan, check out the tutorials listed on your screen. So that's all for this lesson. In the next lesson, we'll look at how to troubleshoot and fix issues with your content strategy. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.